Welcome back to part 2. In part 1, we designed our character, and it was fun, right? It was exciting. But today, reality hits. Creating one drawing is easy. Creating 50 panels a week? That is where most people quit. Today, I'm going to show you how to survive the grind, maintain consistency, and turn that introvert girl concept into an actual readable episode. Let's dive in. Step 1. The scene breakdown. So we have our introvert girl. How do we introduce her? We need a routine. Let's break down a standard waking up sequence, but we are going to do it the Webtoon way. Panel 1. The establishing shot. The building, apartment complex, or house. Set the scene. Panel 2. The room. Morning rays hitting the bed. Atmosphere is key. Panel 3. Ring. Close up on the alarm clock or mobile phone. Panel 4, the hand slap. Zoom in on the hand hitting snooze. Panel 5, the eyes. Zoom in. The dread of waking up. Panel 6, full body shot. Sitting on the edge of the bed, messy hair. Panel 7, the feet. Touching the cold floor. Ground the character. Then she walks, opens the door, heads to the bathroom. Mirror shot. Toothbrush in hand, brushing, spitting, washing face. And finally, the zoom in. Her face in the mirror. Her expression. Is she tired? Is she ready? This is where the episode truly begins. Pro tip, do not cram all of this into one panel. Webtoons are about scrolling. Use only 2 or 3 images per scroll view. Give the art room to breathe. Step 2. Cheat codes for consistency. Work smarter, not harder. You might be thinking, how do I draw that room perfectly every time? You don't. You use tools. For characters, use clipstudiopaint 3D models. Pose the model, do your line art over it. It keeps your proportions perfect every single time. For backgrounds, do not draw every brick. Use SketchUp, Livehome 3D, Planner 5D, or Blender. Take a snapshot, import it, and trace or filter it. For vibes, use CSP brushes. Cloud brushes for mood, rain brushes for drama, foliage brushes for trees. Don't paint every leaf by hand. For text, go to DaFont or Google Fonts. Pick a font that matches your genre and stick to it. Step 3. The workflow, the assembly line. Now let's talk about how you actually work. Do not finish one panel 100% before moving to the next. You will burn out. Instructional. Ticking off a checklist. 1. Batching. If you have 3 episodes written, do the line art for all 3 first. 2. Coloring. Then go back and do the base colors for all of them. 3. Shading and lighting. Then do the rendering. 4. Balloons. Add speech bubbles last. And always draw in layers. Line art on one, color on another, background on another. It saves your life when you need to fix mistakes. Step 4. Publishing strategy. The business side. You finished 3 episodes. Now what? Release strategy. Drop the first 3 episodes at once. Give people enough content to get hooked. Then stick to a schedule. Fridays, Saturdays, or Sundays between 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. are golden hours. People are stress-free and ready to read. Tell your audience at the end of every episode, stay tuned for next Saturday. Train them to wait for you. Bonus, character depth. For those of you still watching, here is the secret sauce for your story. If you are stuck on side characters, use MBTI personalities. Make the best friend an ENFP. Make the rival an ENTJ. Pick 2 or 3 highlights of that personality and build them out. But for your main character, show us growth. Show us movement. From a loser to a champion. From an introvert to an extrovert. From single to mingle. From stuck in a loop to finding purpose. Give your audience the taste of change. Take them from lifeless to alive. That is why they read. The solo creator. Motivation. Look, I'm going to be honest. Creating a webtoon means you are the director, the writer, the actor, the camera operator, the marketing manager, and the publisher. You are a one-person movie studio. You will feel burnout. You will feel stuck. You will be tired. But keep going. There is a beauty in finishing a panel. There is a rush in seeing your story come to life. Don't worry about the likes or the comments right now. Build your portfolio. This is your proof of work. You can use this to get jobs, to get hired, to prove your skills. So, go. Create something unique. Start your journey from normal to immortal. If you like these tips, smash that like button, subscribe, and start drawing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!